Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the SD card with the update package. Make sure you confirmed your exact phone model and build before downloading. Once done, copy the OTA or full ROM zip to the card root. Do not unzip. Make sure the SD is formatted as FAT32 or XFAT and that the file checksum matches the source. This avoids corrupt installs. Finally, power off the device and remove any cases to access the card slot easily so you can boot into recovery. You now boot into recovery using the device-specific key combo or by running ADB reboot recovery. This takes you to the install menu. Once in recovery, choose Apply Update from SD card, navigate to the zip file, and confirm the installation. This triggers package verification and file extraction. Make sure you watch the on-screen logs and progress. Do not remove the SD card or power off mid-install. If prompted, allow any requested partition or system rights so the update can complete properly. You finish by selecting Reboot System now. Expect a longer first boot as the new framework and apps optimize. If the phone enters a boot loop, immediately return to recovery and try Wipe Cache/Dalvik first. This often resolves optimization stalls. If that fails, reapply the correct ROM from the SD card or restore your backup image. Make sure to use the exact firmware for your model. Mismatches are the most common cause of failure, so double-check file names and checksums before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.